Very good morning, children. This is the video for HTML activity number 1 and 2. Previous video we were discussed about HTML programming. Hope you are clear with the HTML programming chapter. In my previous video, I have explained about HTML programming structure, how to write HTML programming, and how to start HTML programming with the angled bracket tags. Try this programming. You can understand the chapter 1 concepts very well. The task here you have to do here, you have to write simple HTML programming. Let me explain the task, the workbook activity here. Write HTML code based on the instructions given below. Create a page holding pictures of some famous personalities you know and you different heading tags for writing their names. Use red as background color. Give a suitable title for the web page. This is the task you have to do here. We have to create a web page. It has famous personalities: Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, Sourav Ganguly, or Narendra Modi. So any personalities, you can place any person's photos. You have to display their names and photos. Your web page background color should be red color. So this is the task, the web page we have to create here using HTML programming. So when you are going to write a programming for anything, you have to imagine first planets. So now we have to imagine how our web page should be designed. So let imagine yourself, the background color will be red color of your screen. In that background bg color is red. Okay, so find the code for the how to set a red color bg color using a bg color equal to red. Okay, now you find the answer, bg color equal to red, and we have to present some famous personalities photos and their names. Okay, so how to add images in HTML programming. So the statement, the programming statement for displaying adding images in HTML programming, let us think. So say the coding in your textbook. So the pictures in a display HTML programming. So imagine yourself and then start writing the programming. Let me explain one by one. Yes. So the first line will be in the programming starts with the HTML tag. So angled brackets HTML, and we have to give title for this web page. So give a head tag. Again we have to write one more tag, head. So I'm going to start a program here. First line HTML tag, write HTML angled brackets HTML. Next one angled brackets head tag. Title of this web page is, use title tag, famous personalities, I or my favorite persons, something you want you can give. Okay, so title my favorite persons, the leaders, something. Okay, so give a title, close tag for the title. So we have completed 3 lines. So first one HTML head and a title we have completed till title. We have created a web page, it shows the title. Next one, we have to set our web page background color is as a red. So for that, body bg color means background color, body bg color equal to red. Okay, so when you type this code in your notepad, your web page colors will be as a red. So completed, we have completed 4 lines of this program. So next thing we have to do here, we have to present or show some famous personalities pictures. So for that we have to collect images from Google and give a file name of that images store in a computer hard disk. So how to show that images in your web page? We have to write the code for the linking images and showing images in HTML programming. The code for linking and showing images you can see in your textbook, page number page number 67. Wait. You have example of Rahul Dravid photos in your school. You have to use the image tag. Okay. So page number 84, image links. To make an image link, simply insert an image within the anchor tag just as you embed words so that they may become link anchors for clicking on the mouse. So you can also make a graphic, the link anchor for hypertext jump link. So you have to use this following code for the showing images. Ahref equal to, you can give a link or image name. Image source equal to file name dot jpeg. Jpeg means the file extension. Drawit is my file name I have stored in a local drive in my system. So image source equal to dvit.jpg, closing tag for the link tag. Okay, suppose you want to present you want to show a web page link in your website, you can use that href embed link, or you want to present or show only images, you can use image source. So like that we have to give a file name of image and the extension of that image format, jpeg or a png, something, any extension of file extension you can give. So this is the way you have to write the programming. Children, I hope you understood. I explained the answers. Just start writing the programming for in the given box. So first you have to draw the your web page in that image in the text box. Give a title for websites and draw your images, use pencil and draw some images. So like that we have to plan and we have to write the programming. Understand, this is the simple task here. We are going to create one simple web page. I hope this activity will help you improve your knowledge in writing HTML programming. Children, understand? I hope you can do. So try this activity, write the answers with neatly. So draw the sample web page in the given text box and write the coding. Okay, so complete it, write the date of the activity and write neatly, give our neat presentation in our book. And the 7th standard, most of the students, you did not submit your CW for correction for PD2 portions, so it's very regret. So submit your notebooks and complete your writing task on time. Don't be defaulters, complete it. So we have completed chapter 5, 6. We have started HTML programming, but you did not submit your notebooks for previous lessons. So complete your workbook activities and the classwork. Mark all the answers in textbook. Okay. So if you have any doubts writing this program, you can ask me or you can call me. I will say the answers. The answers are available in textbooks also. But don't see. Just take a reference from what are the statements we have to use this program, but try yourself. You can understand, you can get a very knowledge in programming. So you can see in TVs they are simple programming concepts. The school children are going to participate codathon and junior coding competition, something junior white hot company going to conduct competitions. So the school level children also they are participating writing programming. So this is competitive world. Try this program, understand the concept. You can, if you have any doubts you can ask me, I will explain. Already I explained the answers, what are the tags we have to use in this activity. Just use it. Okay, so complete the activity, give your neat presentations. I am expecting good handwriting and draw the simple web page images. Okay, so complete it and send it through my WhatsApp for corrections.